Yeah, hi. In today's video, we're going to be showing you how you can go to a website that I'm going to give you all the details of and earn 20 cents per click without even selling anything. It's really simple. It's totally legit. So make sure you stay tuned right to the very end of this video if you want to know how you can actually go and get simple money, easy cash, just by following these steps. So let's go and check it out and find out exactly how you can earn 20 cents per click without selling a thing. Okay, so let's jump straight into this video and show you where you can actually earn 20 cents per click. It's not by selling products. Now, although this website has over 12,500 PLR products, you won't have to sell them to actually get that 20 cents per click. So just like I say, stay tuned and I'll show you exactly what you have to do and how you can do it. But what is PLR for a start? Well, it's private label rights. So in other words, you can actually can resell these products and keep all the money yourself. And I'm going to be making a video on this website showing you exactly how you can actually make money with PLR products as well. But that's not what we're going to be talking about today. We're going to be showing you how you can use this website and get 20 cents per click. Okay, so before we go into it, the first thing you're going to need to do is actually sign up for this website. I'm going to tell you what this website is very shortly, so make sure you stay tuned right to the very end. Okay, now the first thing you're going to need to do is register for free up in the top right hand corner here. Now I'll give you a link to the website in the description below here, but don't obviously go there yet. I want to go watch this video right to the very end and find out exactly what you have to do first. Okay, so the first thing is register for free. So we're going to just click on that. Okay, so this is what you have to do. Obviously scroll down and it says here about gold members and free members. We only obviously want a free member. You don't have to be registered at all as a gold member, so just a free member. And it says here you actually receive access to 200 products, basic training and new products added on a monthly basis. Okay, so click here to register for free. So all you have to do here to register is you pop in your email address, you confirm your email address, do the anti-spam, I'm not a robot, click on next. This then takes you through to email verification, where you should go to your inbox and find an email. So let's just check over there. Okay, so the email verification, and this is where you need the email verification come from, and this is the website IDPLR.com. So you need to click on that and then click on this link to activate your account. Okay, so then all you need to do is then you come to this page here and you need to then put in your first name, last name, username and a password and then confirm your password. Okay, so once you're in here, you then come to the IDPLR dashboard. And as you can see here, it's got all things up here: product terms, getting started, training, product request, bonuses, affiliates. Now, this is where you want to actually literally scroll right down to the bottom of the page. And as you can see here, it says affiliates. So if you click on affiliates, so it says you can make money by giving away our free membership access. Okay, earn 20 cents for free members. You will earn up to 20 cents for free members that you refer. Okay, so that is all we have to do, guys, is get people to come and actually join the IDPLR website, and they're actually paying you 20 cents per free member. They don't have to upgrade. If they do upgrade, you end up actually getting 35% commissions. You could end up getting round about 35, just under about $33, because the membership at the moment is $97 for gold membership. So you could actually earn more than 20 cents. So how are you going to do this? What you need to do is scroll down, and you need to basically have a ClickBank account. Okay, now ClickBank is an affiliate network, again, that is free to join. So we want to click on this link here. So you literally go through the process here. It says start here and then you join. Again, it's free to join, and then when you join there, you will put in your ID number, your ID name onto ClickBank, and then what you can do, you can come back to the IDPLR and you put in your ID, your unique ID, into where this is space here with the X's, and this is all you need to do, and that will be your link that you can actually share with people, okay, to get them into IDPLR. Okay, now you could also just add in your ClickBank username here and then create a link. They also give you some instructions here, so everything's here about how to do it on ClickBank. Go to affiliate link and shorten the URL. And it also says here about using your new Cloat affiliate link, okay? And there's two methods they actually say here that you can actually use. So again, you could obviously use these methods to drive some traffic back to IDPLR. So everything you really need here is actually on this website. But what you could do, you could obviously share this link onto social media. You could also write a blog about IDPLR. You could do a video like I'm doing now and actually promote IDPLR. And again, you're just promoting the products inside IDPLR, what people can actually earn and everything. And I'm going to be making, like I say, a video about IDPLR and how you can actually make more money with these products once you've got an account. So make sure you watch that video. That's going to be coming up very shortly. So make sure you subscribe to the channel and obviously hit that notification bell and you'll get notified when this video is coming through. And so write a blog article if you've got a blog, or you could go to a site such as medium.com and again you could create your own blog here which will be sitting on this actual website. You get a profile on here and then you can add content on here, and because Medium is a very, very massive site, you could actually rank this on Google quite easily and then obviously drive traffic back. And as you can see, I've also done different articles on here already that I've done on my actual account. So I've done exactly the same sort of thing here that you can actually go and do. And this is obviously free to do. You don't need a website to do it, but if you've got your own blog, then obviously that would be a good place to do it. Again, you could make a YouTube video or something like that, TikTok videos, anything like that, and put the link in the bio to make sure direct people back to IDPLR. So as you can see, a really true and legit way to earn 20 cents per click. Because if you get your links in front of the right people, they're definitely going to join this website, guys. It's free to join. They're going to get 200 products that they can then go and sell themselves, even as a free member. So why wouldn't they go and join? So make sure you target it correctly, and you too could start earning 20 cents per click, and even more if they upgrade to the gold membership. Okay, trust you found that useful and interesting. If you did, smash up the like button for us. Don't forget to watch these videos next. And if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to the channel, especially for the next video where I'm going to show you more about this website and how you can actually earn more money with it. Make sure you hit the notification bell for that. That's it for today. We will see you on the next video.